Of course here's a script for your channel based on your instructions, Welcome to FK iPhone. Today we are diving into the brand new Samsung Galaxy S20 for 2025. Samsung has brought a fresh wave of innovation to the S20 lineup, starting with the display. The new Dynamic AMOLED screen is brighter, more colorful and smoother than ever, with an adaptive refresh rate that adjusts perfectly to what you are doing. Whether you are gaming, watching videos or just scrolling through your feed, everything looks incredibly sharp and fluid. Under the hood, the Galaxy S20 is powered by the latest chipset, making it faster and more energy efficient. Apps open instantly, multitasking feels effortless, and even the most demanding games run without a hitch. The battery life has also seen a solid improvement, easily lasting a full day with heavy use, and it charges faster both wired and wirelessly. The camera system has been upgraded as well. The triple lens setup now features an enhanced main sensor that captures stunning detail even in low light. The ultra-wide and telephoto lenses have also been refined, giving you more versatility and sharper results whether you are snapping quick shots or filming high-quality videos. The S20 handles it like a pro. The selfie camera has also been improved, making video calls and selfies look cleaner and more natural. Now looking at the exterior, Samsung kept it sleek and classy. The S20 feels premium in the hand with a smooth matte finish that resists fingerprints and smudges. The new color options are bold and stylish, offering something for everyone. The phone is slightly slimmer and lighter than before, but it still feels solid and durable. Plus it is rated highly for water and dust resistance, so you can take it almost anywhere without worrying. Other features include an upgraded fingerprint sensor, which is faster and more accurate, face recognition that works better in low light, and stereo speakers that deliver louder and clearer sound. There is also expanded support for satellite connectivity and Wi-Fi, which means faster downloads and smoother streaming even in crowded areas. Samsung has also focused on software with the latest version of One UI. It is cleaner, faster and packed with smart features like advanced multitasking and improved privacy tools. You will also get years of software updates, keeping your phone fresh and secure for a long time. In conclusion, the 2025 Samsung Galaxy S20 is a strong contender if you are looking for a stylish, powerful and reliable smartphone. It blends cutting-edge performance with a beautiful design and thoughtful features, making it a fantastic choice for both everyday users and tech enthusiasts. That is all for today. Thanks for watching FK iPhone. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe and hit that bell so you do not miss any of our future uploads. See you next time. Would you also want a slightly more energetic or casual version depending on the style you usually use on FK iPhone?